It is no secret that wearing a lipstick can dramatically change our mood by radically making us feel more sexier, confident, and professional, and most importantly, creative. And also, it is a form of self expression. So while picking up a lipstick can be a very daunting task, while it can either make or break a one's look. Worry not, because on today's video, I would like to share some easy breath guide in choosing the right shade of your lipstick that will radically change or lighten up your mood. Hello to all my revolutionary sisters out there. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. On this channel where we talk about femininity, girls talk, self-worth, discovery, and life motivation. Lipstick are more than just a part of one's makeup. It can tell a lot about our personalities. According to scientists' research, it says that a color shade and human psychology are interlinked. An individual preference for a specific lip color or shade can unveil how they are on the inside. Even though the scientists' research say that the color shade and a human psychology are interlinked, I also struggle with a sense that sometimes it's hard to find the perfect shade of lipstick for yourself. Ladies, I know that we've all been in that road whereby you love a lipstick color but then it just doesn't work with you. Okay, so there are actually contributing factors on that. So on today's video, I'm gonna share with you tips and tricks in which you can use those aspects to help you pick the right shade that will actually accentuate all your face features. Stay tuned. You own a ton of lipstick shade but finding yourself not using some of the lipstick shade. There might be a variety or various reasons why you do not use some of the lipstick shade. It might be that some of the lipstick make you look tacky, hungry, or maybe they just don't go well with your skin tone. So, beside the type of makeup that we layer on our face, actually our natural face features play a major role in actually guiding us into finding our perfect lip colors. So one of the natural features that you need to take consideration when you pick your lip color, it will be finding your skin undertone. So there are three types of skin undertone, namely cool, warm, and neutral. So one might ask, how do we determine skin undertone? You can simply do this by actually inspecting your veins. So to do this, you can simply look at your wrist and check the veins under them. If your veins appear green color, it means you have a warm undertone. And then secondly, if your veins appear blue, it means you have a cool tone. You have a cool undertone. So if your veins appear bluish green, that means you have a neutral undertone. So what are the lip colors that goes with each and every skin undertone? Firstly, we're going to start with a warm skin undertone. The type of lip colors that goes well with a warm undertone will be a fairly red, your orange, and your copper tones. Then for a cool undertone, look for lip colors that have a blue and a purple undertone. Lip colors such as cherry red, practically any berry color hold will implement well in a person with a cool undertone. And lastly, we're gonna look at a neutral undertone, which goes well with a purple, red, like violet, red base, brown, your plum colors. They work well on a neutral undertone skin. Face picture number 2, it will be know your lip size. The size of our lips also plays a major role when it comes to picking up a lip color that will perfectly accentuate us. I have created a simple guideline that if you have a thin lips, it is best to avoid dark matte colors, as this tend to make our lips to appear even more thinner. But it is best to pick more creamier and glossy instead. And then if you have a thick lips, it will be best to avoid glossy or glitter, while a matte shade accentuate the thick lips well. Tip number 3, it will be considering our eyes colors. Also, the color of our eyes could help us in choosing the right lip shade before we can actually buy. So let's start with brown eyes. So if you have brown eyes, it will be more advisable to stick to more flamey red, light pinks, and all shade of coffee will all be a great choice. And then for secondly, if you have a blue eyes, shades such as cherry and scarlet will work perfectly fine. And thirdly, green eyes, shade such as pink and turquoise will work perfectly fine. And lastly, it will be gray eyes, plum and nude shade will look good in this type of eye color. Tip number 4, it will be consider our teeth colors. So our teeth easily get stained through the consumption of drinks such as coffee, black tea, and wines. So that doesn't mean that we can't whiten our teeth. There are many methods whereby you can use to whiten your teeth. You can either visit your doctor, or you can do the home whitening methods such as using stripes or using oil pulling method, whereby you can use a virgin oil as a pulling oil, or you can use the peel wrapping method, whereby you use banana peels, orange peels, or lemons. So having a white teeth is a great thing to have, because it actually permits you to a lot of option when it comes to picking up a lip color for almost any color. And then if you have a yellow teeth, you can opt for colors such as a light orange, red, and in my opinion, I would say stay away from any brown. Okay ladies, now that we have unpacked the guidelines in choosing the right shade of your lipstick, next time you go for shopping or you think of buying a lipstick, have this guideline in mind so that they can help you through it. Thank you for watching up until this point. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.
Anyone who has achieved anything in life knows that challenges and failures are necessary components of success. They know that when things get hard, that's not always a sign that you're doing something wrong. It's often a sign that you're doing something right. Because those hard times are what shape you into the person you're meant to be.